Should you or should you not allow pets in your rental property? I'm Justin Woodall with Iron Horse Property Management, and we actually recommend that you do allow pets. And in this video, I'm going to explain why. So the number one reason that we recommend you allow pets is that we are able to get a better qualified tenant. And by better qualified, I mean they make more money, they have a better credit score, and we're also able to lease up the property faster. Now why? Why are we able to get a better qualified tenant, and why do we lease it faster? Because 90% of the people out there have pets. So we're opening it up to a larger pool of applicants, a larger pool of tenants, and simply by making your house available to more people, the odds of us getting a better qualified person and leasing it faster increase exponentially. So that's why we recommend it. Now there are some cons to allowing pets as well. They're the obvious ones, like cats are gonna scratch, dogs are gonna chew, they're gonna potentially ruin the carpet, ruin the floors, there could be odors. So there are some cons, but we believe that the pros outweigh the cons in this particular situation. Now we do allow owners to choose, but we do recommend that you allow pets. We have a couple of safeguards to make sure that if we do allow pets, we're doing it the right way. So one is that we have a third-party pet screening company where they actually apply with the pet as well. They kind of run a background, make sure it's not a vicious dog or some reason that the pet should not be in the property. And we also require that the tenant shampoo the carpet professionally and treat for fleas upon exiting the property. They have to provide documentation for that. And then lastly, we even stand behind it as a company, behind our screening process and behind allowing pets in your property, in that if the pets damage the property beyond the amount of the security deposit, that we'll actually pay up to $1,000 on your behalf towards those damages. So hope this video has been informative. If you're looking for property management, if we can help you out, feel free to reach out.